In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $75,125 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. I'm gonna share with you guys which affiliate links you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission, because you cannot promote any affiliate links. You need to choose specific affiliate links, and I'm gonna share with you which affiliate links you should promote. And as you can see over here in my balance, it's showing $75,125. Easy money, guys, without investing any money. It's just promoting affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. And make sure to watch this video until the end, because I'm gonna share with you so much more information about Pinterest affiliate marketing and how this works, so you don't need to buy any courses or get any paid courses. This will be free course video for you, step by step. Let's get started. Okay, so what you need to do first, for beginners who want to join Fiverr affiliates and make some money, some commission like this, you will go to Google and you will search for Fiverr like this. Click on the first link over here, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Okay, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. Just keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this page over here to Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do next is just need to click over here on join now. Okay, but before we do that, let's scroll down to show you the commission plan. Okay, so you can understand. If we click over here on see commission, you will get idea about how much you will earn, because they are really paying a lot of money for those affiliate services. You can see over here commission plan. If we scroll down, you can see CPA, Fiverr CPA. You can earn up to $150. That's really a lot of money. If just one person buy service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $150. Okay, so what you will do, let's go back to this Fiverr affiliate website. Click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see, to this sign up process page. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address and your username over here, your password and your account type, make it private, and you will answer a few questions over here and choose your country. Okay, there are a lot of countries here, and you should find yours over here, and you need to choose your language over here. And if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr. Go back to this home page like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna share with you guys which service I was promoting on Pinterest to earn a lot of money. Okay, and this service is still working because a lot of people are still searching for this service on Pinterest. So what you will do, click on the search for Amazon affiliate marketing. Okay, search for this search for those keywords, Amazon affiliate marketing. Okay, so why I choose this service? Because a lot of people who joined already Amazon affiliate website, they are using Pinterest to promote Amazon affiliate links. So what we will do, we will choose a service that from some sellers here that provide Amazon affiliate marketing service, and we will use this service, and we will promote this service as an affiliate on Pinterest for those people who are using Pinterest to promote Amazon affiliate links. So those people will be interested to try this service and promote affiliate links using this service. Okay, so what you will do, search for Amazon affiliate link, affiliate marketing, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so what you will do, so let me see, I will build Amazon affiliate marketing. I think this one is good, but I will do this one is level 1 seller. Let's see if we can find. I will create Amazon affiliate marketing. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. As you can see, this one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews, 5-star. Click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. What you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link, okay, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account like this. Click, you should see over here dashboard. Click in the dashboard, you have marketing tools. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. Okay, it's gonna take you to this page over here. What you need to do next, click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, and click over here again, and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so what we need to do next, we need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. If you don't have an account on Pinterest yet, like this one, just go to Google and search for Pinterest like this. Click on the first link over here and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest, and make sure to choose business account, okay, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. Okay, so I'm gonna just waiting for this page. Okay, so let me see. So you should have an account like this one. Like I said, what you need to do, click over here on home feed, click on create pin, and it's gonna take you to this page over here. What you need to do next, you need to upload a picture about this service that you want to promote. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller page on Fiverr, click on his picture. So just click on his picture and upload this picture to your laptop. Double click, save. Okay, I'm gonna click on save image. I'm gonna name it Amazon affiliate. Go back to Pinterest and click over here and upload this picture to your Pinterest account. Okay, like this. Click on open, and here you go, your picture will be uploaded like this. What you need to do next, you need to put here title, description, and your affiliate link. Okay, so let's start with the title. Just go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr and you can copy his title. Okay, this is his title. Go back to Pinterest, put this title over here, scroll down, description, just go back to his profile page, scroll down. You should see over here about this gig. Okay, this is his description. So I'm gonna copy this part and I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this part over here. Okay, should be like this. And what you will do next, you need to put your affiliate link here. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, and go back to Pinterest, put your affiliate link here. Okay, like this. Click, scroll down, click over here on choose a board, and you just need to give it a name. If you are new, click over here on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and you can create as many as you want. So I already have a lot. I'm gonna choose this one for Fiverr affiliates. Scroll down, you need to put here tags. Okay, those are very important in Pinterest. Okay, make sure to use those keywords. Okay, so how you can find those keywords, just go back to this seller page on Fiverr, keep scrolling down, just keep scrolling down like this. You should see related tags. Okay, those are the keyword that you should use. Okay, and just use a lot of keywords. Okay, just use the more keywords you will use, the more your Pinterest pin will rank in the search results for people who are searching for Amazon affiliate links or anything related to Amazon. They will find your pin, so they will click on your affiliate link, and they will buy this service from your affiliate link. So you can earn commission. So let's go back and copy this one over here, paste, and after you finish, click over here on publish, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest like this. This is your picture, this is your title, description, and your affiliate link over here. And that's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest and make money. Okay, but of course, make sure to promote a lot of affiliate links that are related to Amazon. Okay, and make sure to watch my other videos, because I share with you a lot of profitable services that you can promote as an affiliate with Fiverr. I show you how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link, and so much more. Okay, if you have new Pinterest accounts, make sure to promote just 3 to 5 affiliate links per day, and just stay consistent, and you will earn commission. Okay, this commission that I show you in my Fiverr affiliate account, it's hard work and consistency and a lot of work. Okay, it's not just, it doesn't come overnight. It took me really a lot of time to understand those affiliate links, how affiliate marketing business works. And that's it. I share with you a lot of this video in this video, guys. So I hope you appreciate this information. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment if you have any question, and see you in my next video.